Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. It's an absolutely gorgeous boat with a hard top. Beautiful, long, unsinkable boat. This boat is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower engine. The Boston Whaler is a great fishing boat. It's absolutely amazing. It has no carpet, no flooring, easy to clean out. Here in the back, you can see it looks like a bed, somewhere you can lay down. All these seats flip down. There's a seat in back that flips down. You got lots of cup holders, lots of rod storage, and rod holders. As you can see, this is the back seating area that pulls down, as well as what was a bed or a nice area to lay down is also a spot for people to sit facing the front or aft. Again, lots of cup holders, speakers, and this compartment is a pump out head. Nice big area for any adventure. Here at the helm, you have your basics, your Fusion radio player, again trim, everything like that, compass up top, and then a spot for you to put any sort of hummingbird or anything you want, simrod in there. This is a 10-person boat. Lots of area here in the bow as well for seating. There's a cushion that goes here in the center. You can move it out as well. That way you're not stepping on the upholstery as you board and unboard the boat. There's a shower so you can spray your feet off as you're getting on and off the boat. A ladder here in this front compartment. It's a very, very nice boat. Again, this is the 230 Vantage, offered here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. And again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant here at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see what we have on our showroom floor today.